And now let's write code to calculate the average rating of a book. A book can have one or more reviews from multiple customers. So the rating stars appears here is the average rating value of the book. You see the rating here is the average of all the customers' reviews on that book. So we write code to calculate the average rating of a book with a unit test. In the admin section, reviews here, you see we have only a review for the book Blue Ocean Strategy, and we will run unit test in the book DAO test class to add more reviews to the review table, so we can test the calculation of average rating correctly. So go back to our Eclipse IDE and open the domain module class book.java here. We need to write a transient method here to calculate average rating of the book. Transient. The method mark